Alright, today we are testing out these double pack of meat probes for my Traeger grill. As you can see, we are getting ready. We fired up the grill. I'll pull these out of the package. A little quick card. There's obviously two of them here. One that's got black dashes on it, one that doesn't. I'm going to figure out what the difference is, but I'm going to just plug them into the side of my grill down here and cook some chicken. I'm impressed. I'm excited. So I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me so I could do an install and a review and check them all out, and they work good. Alright, well, we've got things ready to go. So I found out this is about a 6-inch long, 6.5-inch long probe. It's got a 43-inch long cable. There's a white one and a black striped one, just so if you put them in different meats you can tell which one's which. Alright, so this shows the grill is at 460, and then when I put it in there, push the button for probe 1, it shows I'm at 58 degrees. I guess that's about what temperature it is outside. Alright, now I just plug the second one in. I push probe 1, and we are at 60 degrees. I hit probe 2, and we are at 60 degrees. Awesome. So we are going to put these. So the way you put them in the grill is there's a hole in the side of the grill right here. You can just slide them right in. All right, now we're ready to do some cooking. I'm going to get my chicken breasts out here. Put them on the grill. And we're going to test out both probes. As you can see, there's a way here I can put them through the side of the grill. And then I'm just going to take one of them, put it right in the center of the meat, and the other one right in the center of the meat. We'll hit the temperature for probe 1, 87 degrees. Probe 2, 75 degrees, which is basically what the chicken was when we were in the house. So now we're going to let it cook for a while. Alright, let's do a quick check. Probe 1. Internal temp 137. Probe 2. Internal temp 121. Let's do a visual check. Oh yeah, they're looking good. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. And turn my chicken over. I've been at this 12 minutes. Probe 1, 180. Probe 2, 162. So probe 2 is the white one. If I come in here and see, that's the bigger piece. Alright. They're definitely getting there. These probes work good.